The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross doesn't arrive with noise or unnecessary drama. Instead, it enters the scene with quiet confidence, carrying a legacy of reliability while stepping boldly into a future shaped by smarter technology, refined design, and a deeper understanding of what drivers truly need. This is not just a compact SUV. This is a carefully engineered answer to everyday life, built for families, explorers, commuters, and anyone who expects more from the road ahead. At first glance, the design feels instantly familiar yet noticeably evolved. The front fascia has been sharpened, with a wider, more assertive grille that anchors the vehicle with strength and presence. The LED headlights stretch outward with precision, creating a modern light signature that feels both aggressive and refined. Subtle aerodynamic sculpting flows across the hood and down the sides, catching light in a way that gives the body movement even when standing still. The elevated ride height adds that essential SUV stance, making it feel ready for anything, from tight urban streets to open highways. The proportions are perfectly balanced. Not too large to feel overwhelming in city traffic, yet spacious enough to deliver real practicality. This balance is where the Corolla Cross truly shines. It's designed to fit into your life, not complicate it. As you move closer, the details begin to reveal themselves. Clean panel gaps, carefully placed character lines, and a refined rear design that completes the overall look with subtle elegance. The taillights wrap around the rear corners, glowing with a modern LED signature that enhances visibility while adding a premium touch. The rear bumper is sculpted with purpose, hinting at durability without looking bulky. It's a design language that speaks quietly, but confidently. Step inside, and the atmosphere shifts from impressive to genuinely welcoming. The cabin feels open, organized, and thoughtfully designed. Every element has a purpose, every surface feels intentional. Soft-touch materials blend seamlessly with durable finishes, creating an environment that feels premium without sacrificing practicality. This is a space built for real use, not just for show. The seating is one of the first things you notice. Supportive, comfortable, and designed for long journeys, the seats hold you in place without feeling restrictive. Whether it's a quick drive across town or a long road trip, comfort remains consistent. The rear seats offer generous legroom and headroom, ensuring that passengers of all ages can relax without compromise. Flexibility is at the core of the interior design. The rear seats fold down effortlessly, transforming the cabin into a spacious cargo area capable of handling everything from groceries to travel gear. The loading height is practical, the space is usable, and the transitions are seamless. It's the kind of functionality that becomes more valuable with every use. Above, the available sunroof adds a sense of openness, allowing natural light to flood the cabin and enhance the overall driving experience. It's a small detail, but one that makes a noticeable difference, especially on longer journeys. Technology in the 2026 Corolla Cross feels more refined and more intuitive than ever before. At the center of the dashboard sits a high-resolution touchscreen that responds quickly and smoothly to every input. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto eliminate the need for cables, keeping the cabin clean and clutter-free. The digital instrument cluster provides clear, customizable information, allowing drivers to focus on what matters most. Everything is placed exactly where you expect it to be. Controls are logical, interfaces are simple, and the learning curve is almost non-existent. This is technology, designed to assist, not overwhelm. Under the hood, the Corolla Cross delivers performance that perfectly matches its purpose. The standard gasoline engine provides reliable power with impressive efficiency, making it ideal for daily commuting and long-distance driving alike. Smooth acceleration, consistent performance, and a focus on fuel economy ensure that every drive feels effortless. For those who want something more advanced, the hybrid variant transforms the driving experience entirely. Combining a gasoline engine with electric motors, it delivers instant torque, smoother acceleration, and significantly improved fuel efficiency. In city driving, the hybrid system shines, offering quiet operation and seamless transitions between power sources. It's not just efficient, it's intelligently efficient. The driving dynamics are where everything comes together. The Corolla Cross is tuned for comfort, stability, and ease of use. The suspension absorbs road imperfections with confidence, smoothing out bumps and rough surfaces without feeling disconnected. The steering is light yet precise, making maneuvering through tight spaces simple and stress-free. On the highway, the experience becomes even more refined. The cabin remains quiet, the ride stays composed, and the vehicle maintains a steady, confident presence. It's the kind of driving experience that builds trust over time, making every journey feel predictable in the best possible way. All-wheel drive availability adds another layer of capability, ensuring that the Corolla Cross remains stable and confident even in challenging conditions. Whether it's rain, uneven terrain, or long-distance travel, the vehicle adapts without hesitation. Safety is deeply integrated into every aspect of the Corolla Cross. Equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite, it constantly monitors the environment around you. Adaptive Cruise Control maintains safe distances automatically. Lane Keeping Assist ensures you stay on track. Pre-collision systems are ready to react when needed. These features work quietly in the background, providing confidence without distraction. This is not just about technology, it's about peace of mind. It's about knowing that every drive is supported by systems designed to protect you and your passengers. And then there are the details, the small touches that elevate the entire experience. Smart storage compartments placed exactly where you need them. Cup holders that actually fit modern lifestyles. USB ports positioned for convenience. Doors that open wide for easy entry and exit. These are the elements that may seem minor at first but become essential over time. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is not trying to be the most extreme or the most luxurious SUV on the market. Instead, it focuses on being exactly what most drivers need: a reliable, efficient, comfortable, and versatile vehicle that adapts to everyday life with ease. It's the SUV that fits into your routine without demanding attention, yet consistently delivers when it matters most. It's the vehicle you rely on during busy mornings, long drives, and unexpected adventures. It's always ready, always capable, and always comfortable. This is what makes the Corolla Cross stand out. It understands that real value comes from consistency, usability, and thoughtful design. It doesn't overwhelm with unnecessary complexity. It simplifies, enhances, and supports every aspect of your driving experience. The result is something truly special. A compact SUV that feels complete. A vehicle that doesn't just meet expectations, but quietly exceeds them in ways that matter every single day. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross is more than just transportation. It's your everyday companion, your reliable partner, and your gateway to countless journeys ahead. Every mile becomes easier, every drive becomes smoother, and every destination feels just a little closer. This is not just a car. This is the perfect family SUV for everyday adventures, built with purpose, driven by innovation, and designed to make every moment on the road count.